Pesher. I'm the molecular ecologist at BFL, and I work in the invasive species research group. The main lab building at BFL is open during normal business hours, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. However, the pedestrian entrance is accessible anytime, assuming that proper authorization has been given and the paperwork has been turned in. When you arrive at the field station, it's important to sign in. There is an indoor and outdoor sign-in sheet. Be sure people know where you'll be in case of emergency. Orient yourself to the various facilities, restrooms, and trails using one of the maps located near the sign-in station. There are extended user guidelines and information such as maps and species lists on the BFL website. Please note that there are drinking fountains inside of the main lab building, but they are only accessible between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. If you plan on coming to the field station outside of these hours, it's best to let a member of the field station management know ahead of time. All visitors are required to sign a release and indemnification agreement. The field station manager can provide this during your first visit. Your email address will be added to the field station users listserv to keep you updated on any major events taking place at the field stations. If you intend to collect specimens at the field station, please meet with field station management first to review the protocol and discuss the methods.
Hi, my name is Ashwin Narayanan. I'm an undergrad here at UT Austin, and last semester I worked on a project involving market recapture of butterflies in my ecology lab class.
Hi, my name is Elena Adams. I'm a field technician for the Wolf Lab, and I mainly work down at the experimental gardens at BFL on our biodiversity ecosystem functioning project.
Working outdoors at any field station poses numerous risks. Risks vary by site and season. In warm months at BFL, heat and dehydration pose the most significant threat. Heat exhaustion is extremely common and can be life-threatening. It's important to stay hydrated, keep covered and shaded as much as possible, wear appropriate clothing, wear sunscreen, and shift work hours to spend the cooler hours outdoors and the warmest hours, 2 to 5 p.m., inside.
There are numerous ponds and streams on site. It's important to stay out of them unless given clear express permission to work with them. All water sources outside of the main lab building are considered non-potable and should not be consumed.
Many of the trails at BFL are rocky and steep. It's important to wear proper shoes when on site to avoid injury. Know your limits. If there's a section of trail you're unsure about, find an alternate route.
Encountering dead or dying trees is very common. It's important to be vigilant when working near them and have an exit strategy in place in case you have to dodge a falling limb.
You should know how to identify poison ivy and bull nettle before you venture out into the field. These plants exist throughout the field station. Reactions can vary from mild rash to severe anaphylactic shock. Thorny plants like greenbrier are also quite prevalent. It's important to wear long pants and closed-toed shoes. If you are working off-trail, you may want to bring a pair of gardening shears to help work your way through these areas.
There's only one species of venomous snake at the field station, the coral snake. Coral snakes are generally quite docile. Do not attempt to harm or harass them, and do not attempt to catch them unless given permission first. If you believe you've encountered a different species of venomous snake, please let a member of field station management know.
Lastly, it's important to note that there are numerous species of plants and animals which may trigger an allergic reaction. If you are known to have a severe allergy to any ants, bees, fruits, etc., you must bring your prescribed EpiPen with you.
Hi, my name is Paul Tardy. I'm a research assistant with the Wolf Lab at Brackenridge Field Laboratory, and here we look at wildflower phenology.
Hi, my name is Reed Fisher, and I'm a research assistant helping to find potential insect biocontrol agents for invasive buffle and guinea grass.
There are risk mitigation strategies you should be aware of while doing field work. Wear proper clothing for the season, such as shoes with closed toes, like hiking boots. Long pants will also protect your skin. Wearing a hat and sunblock will help protect you from sunburn.
Know your location and let people know where you are. It's always best to work in small groups when possible.
While you should bring a fully charged cell phone, do not rely solely on it for navigation. Some areas of the field station have little or no cell reception due to dense canopy cover. Take a physical map with you and keep track of your location.
Rest when necessary. Bring plenty of water and snacks. The field station is quite large and it can take 20 to 30 minutes to reach a potable water source when you're in the field. Plan ahead. And never ever attempt to set a fire.
What are you doing? Stop that.
Okay.
In case of emergency, call 911, contact the station manager, contact the campus police department. Keeping safe will enable you to enjoy the amazing research and educational opportunities at BFL.